Here's how to fix a pending Western Union transfer. First, check the status online with the MTCN for specific reasons, like identity verification or detail errors. You also have to make sure that you have already verified your account. If not, then you can't actually transfer it. Now, here's to do a basic troubleshoot on you. First, you can go to Google Safari or any browser that you have and search for Western Union Customer Service, and you will be redirected to their hotline or to their website where you can go ahead and have a live chat with an agent. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on chat with us. And once you click on the chat with us options, you will be able to see there the AI agent, or you can ask them for a live agent to assist you. You can also go ahead and track the transfer or anything that has been solved to your problem. Next is you can go ahead and give them a call and a live agent will assist you through phone assist. You can dial this using your phone or any device that you have. Next is you have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi connection to avoid experiencing this kind of problems.